Hey y'all, Nathan here with Canoe Kentucky with a quick tip for the day. If you've ever had this problem, you just want one strap and they're all wound up, there's no reason to store your straps like this. There's a better way to do it. You're going to take your strap and you're going to get it perfectly flat. You're going to stick your end through below the push part of the buckle and pull out approximately 12 inches of strap. Go back to where your strap joins together, making sure that you keep it nice and flat. You're then going to roll your strap into the buckle. Once you're to the buckle, you take the tail end that you left out and you roll it around the strap. Bring it all the way around, stick it into the buckle as if you were strapping it onto your vehicle. Pull it tight, and there you go. Have a whole bunch of these laying around. It's going to be a lot more efficient than the big pile of straps that we had before. That's your tip of the day. Make sure you call us or email us if you have any questions.